Extraordinary living starts with having an extraordinary partner. A partner that understands the challenges of the journey and celebrates the joys of your achievements. The all-new Suzuki XL7 Hybrid is the extraordinary SUV that will support you through the daily grind and create new memories with you as it takes you on your next adventure. The Suzuki XL7 Hybrid is powered by a K15B engine with hybrid technology, delivering excellent fuel economy while minimizing carbon footprint. The engine is mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission. This maximizes the power of the engine for the highest level of efficiency and performance.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
It exhibits a bold and robust styling that highlights the dynamism of an SUV with the functionality of an MPV. The Suzuki XL7 Hybrid features an elegant chrome accent front grille, automatic LED headlamps, and LED daytime running lamps. Sportier details include side protection moldings, a new back door garnish design, and an actively designed badge logo. The Suzuki XL7 Hybrid boasts of incredible functionality. The rear cargo hold can accommodate just about everything you will need for your travels, whether it's for work or leisure. The interior of the Suzuki XL7 Hybrid is just as robust as the outside. The cabin features a sporty and stylish black interior with a new silver accent dashboard, new blue accented cluster meter, and LCD display. Connectivity is key in any vehicle today. The Suzuki XL7 Hybrid comes with a 10-inch infotainment system with built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It has a two-tone colorway, dynamic styling, and a distinctive profile. It shows the world you're serious even when you're having fun. Suzuki understands that safety also has to come with practicality. The all-new Suzuki XL7 Hybrid features the engine auto stop-start system to maximize the fuel consumed for every gallon. In the event of a wheel slip, the ESP system automatically regulates engine torque and brake to suppress wheel slip to keep the driver in control. To ease the strain on long journeys, the Suzuki XL7 Hybrid is equipped with cruise control. This makes long drives through the highways more enjoyable. In dimly lit situations, the Suzuki XL7 Hybrid has automatic LED headlamps to clearly light the road ahead. And when you get to your destination, the new XL7 Hybrid has the Follow Me Home feature to light your path towards where you need to be. The new Suzuki XL7 Hybrid is solid and resilient, made to perform beyond the limits.
2, 3, yeah.
At every turn and in every way, it is designed to push the boundaries for a life beyond the ordinary.